Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I'm going to be making some odd charms. Here we have a mainly recycled acrylic gemstone charm that has a steel bezel. It's quite hard to work and bend into shape. And here we have a completely recycled Jingle bell. Hear it? So, a somewhat noisy charm, something I've never made before. So, let's make these couple of odd charms. Not a set or anything, so hence odd. Very quick assembly for these. That works well. Not too shiny, but does indeed look nice. Now the Jingle bell. The more interesting thing out of the two. Wow, it's quite jingly. Definitely works. Great for attaching to like a cat's collar or some such. And that also looks quite nice. Has a sort of strange snake charm sort of clasp there upon it also. Let's have a look upon them. Focus there. Still quite a nice stone, that. The part that holds the loop there is actually a repurposed lanyard crimp. And this chain handmade along with an 18-karat gold clasp, that thing there that's reflecting insanely bright. Reason for that is that will be the component that is used the most, so has a much thicker plating upon it, so it should wear down less. And we have here the Jingle charm with that snake clasp sort of attachment there. From an old keyring. Jingles very well. And there's the two odd charms. Hope you like them, and I'll see you in the next video.